When modeling a circular object or other non-flat surface, you can add holes and other details using knife cut and loop tools. But it will usually break the surface smoothness. The solution is to keep a smooth subdivided version of the base shape, duplicate it and hide this base shape. Then add your cuts and details to the duplicate. Using a Shrinkwrap modifier with the base shape as the target, you can keep it perfectly smooth. Before you start extruding geometry, you can either apply the Shrinkwrap modifier or keep it, but turn it off temporarily as you extrude parts and add details. Then add those new parts to a vertex group, so you can exclude them from the modifier when you turn it on again. Click on the button next to the vertex group field to invert it.